Good morning, everyone. This is Blackforexgroup. We're coming at you with another market analysis video this morning. We're going to be looking at the NZDUSD, also known as the Kiwi USD. Okay. Now, before we get started breaking down this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for education purposes only. This is not financial advice. All right. Now, we all know why you guys are here, is to find good, credible Forex content to help improve your ability as a trader and to help put a little bit more money in your pocket. So with that being said, let's go ahead and break down this currency pair, okay? All right, so before we talk about the technical analysis, let's talk about what's going on with the currency pairs, okay? Now, the NZD did have some not so favorable news come out about it around yesterday, around after I believe it was after 7 o'clock. But that not so good news does not all out negate all the good news that's been coming out about the NZD to make it strong. It's just going to make it a little bit difficult before it continues to go up. But luckily, if you pair it against a weaker currency like the USD, which is weak due to the inflation that's hanging over the American economy, and also with the very bad economic news that's been repeatedly coming out about the USD over the last 48 hours, this currency still remains one of our weaker currencies for this trading week. But we're going to have to see what happens around 2 o'clock when the Fed decides that what's going to do with the interest rate. They're predicting it's going to jump up as much as 50%, but we're going to have to see how much the Feds decide to jack up the interest rate and see how that's going to move the charts, okay? All right, now let's talk about what's going on the chart. Okay, so we have some technical analysis of that we're in an uptrend. Okay, we were going up, going up, going up, and then we came down. Okay, but we're starting to look like we're pushing up. Okay, now to continue this uptrend, we would like to see a break in this area here, and then a break in this area here to say we're going to continue with an uptrend, right? But there's a good possibility that if we do see any price turnover, it's going to happen in this area or this area. So if we break through this area smoothly, hesitate, and then continues to go up and break above this area here, range out, and then continues to go up, then we can safely say that we are going to be in the uptrend. But for right now, we're pushing up, we're still in the long position, okay? Now, only way this can just truly turn over into a sell is if the NZD just becomes very, very weak and the USD starts to pick up its strength, okay? Now, if we have a situation like that, if we do have a situation like that, then we will have price turnover. But as I stated earlier in this video, we're going to have to see what happens around 2 o'clock with the Fed and its interest rate, okay? So for the most part, looking like we're going to continue to go up until we get to about this area here. We may have some hesitation here, or we may have some hesitation here. If we start to hesitate here, range slightly drop and then continue to go. Hesitate, range slightly drop and continue to go, then we're going to safely say that we're going up into our uptrend, okay? But we're going to have to see how the charts are going to act once the interest rate is dropped, okay? Hope that information was helpful for you guys. Happy trading.